See, now that means it's recording, so go ahead. Hi.
Hi. Let's take it of Caroline.
Okay.
On the ground.
Well, she's feeling a little crabby on the ground. Maybe we'll pick her up a little bit.
Hi.
Oh, there. Okay. We know what we should do is take a picture of her in the bath. That's where she's happy. Joel's World. Do you want to go see Daddy with his video camera?
Well, sometimes Daddy doesn't make good faces in the camera.
Oh, got it. Okay. Are you ready to be done with it? Want to turn it off?
No.
So you can do Caroline now if you want. She's all happy.
Hi.
She says hi.
Hey! You're like kind of funny.
She's happy.
Oh, she wiggles her head. Guys, looking silly and sticking out her tongue. Mama Karen was sticking her tongue out.
You gotta end it. It's getting too long, Chub. You ready? I hit it until beeps, until the red thing comes off.